Hi, welcome to my channel Versova World. Today we are going to make a polygonal geometric design of a cat. We will require a thick sheet, a printout on A4 size paper, paper cutting knife, steel ruler, a scissor and a masking tape. With the help of the masking tape, we'll attach both the papers to each other so that they won't move relative to each other. Instead of taking a printout on an ordinary paper, we can directly take it on the colored paper, but the colored papers are very thick, so it's difficult to take out the printout directly on the colored paper. With the help of a ruler and knife, we'll start cutting. But since I have cut a lot of pages, I'm not using a ruler over here. We won't be cutting directly on the print lines, but we'll be cutting parallel to it, say around 1 millimeter or 2 millimeter away from the print lines, but it will be parallel to the print lines. Here I have used a colored paper of around 160 GSM. However, we can use a colored paper of 220 GSM also, but the thicker the paper, it will be difficult to cut. Some people use plastic sheet and some use metal sheets. Plastic sheets and metal sheets last longer than paper. However, it is difficult to cut plastic and metal sheets. There are innumerable patterns on the internet. If you will put the words polygonal, geometric, patterns or designs on the internet, you will be able to find many such patterns. This handmade wall decoration is very easy to make and it looks great on the wall. You can make one very easily and you can even present it as a gift to your near and dear ones. A handmade gift is always appreciated because you have taken the pains, you have spent time in making it. A creative mind is always at peace. So a creative person is always humble. Hope this video has inspired you to make one yourself. Be inspired. And as for always, thanks for watching with interest.